Me say that today is a day for the petroleum industry, and therefore the Minister of State for Petroleum Resources and the GMD, particularly the chairman of the NNPC Board of Directors and the board members, distinguished gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. President, congratulations once again for achieving a landmark project, a project that many thought would not be possible within this administration. We are very happy and glad that today, for the second time in a succession, we are celebrating something for the petroleum industry. Mr. President, you led us in the National Assembly to ensure that we pass the PIB. And today, this is one of the products of the PIA, the Petroleum Industry Act. Your Excellency, today is about 63 years when the first oil was struck in Nigeria and Olobri. And today we are in Kolmani. After 63 years, Nigeria has found oil in the frontier basins. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, the Petroleum Industry Act provides in Section 9, subsections 4 and 5 for 30% of profit oil of the NNPC and profit gas for the exploration in the frontier basins. Mr. President, I believe that before we leave next year, May, 29th May 2023, we can still discover more Kolmanis across the frontier basins. We should be and we must be in a hurry to do so, because the Petroleum Industry Act has provided a stable, assured, and guaranteed source of funding, 30% of the profit oil and profit gas.